I'm Dom Anderson and I'm the Vice President of Society and Citizenship here at NUS. My job is to talk about how students interact with the world around them, and that includes sustainability in a massive way. Well, a lot of the big things that we are talking about at NUS around sustainability is about how we can embed sustainability within the curriculum and within people's education. We don't want students to leave education as the problem, we want them to be the solution to the world's sustainability issues. We've been doing projects like Green Impact, Student Switch Off, Student Eats. All of these have been really talking to students about how they can personally affect change.
Student Switch Off is an energy saving campaign that runs at 54 campuses around the country. So it's good for universities because they help to reduce their carbon emissions and save money by students taking action to save energy. And it's really good for the students in terms of getting them into good habits to take forward when they move off campus to save them money on their bills in the future.
We had 105 students' unions taking part in our Green Impact Students' Unions programme last year, and collectively they took about 7,000 actions between them. Collectively, all of those actions happening across our student movement can make a really positive impact on how those organisations run.
Well, we had an opportunity to buy a new HQ, so when we bought this building we wanted it to be a real demonstration piece of how we can live and breathe sustainability. So we started with a blank page and we said, what can we do? And we did a lot of research and asked a lot of our contacts in universities for what we could be doing. But we also wanted to challenge some of the conventions, which is why we came to Philips. I mean, this is really important to us because we need to be seen to be practicing what we preach. We approached Philips and we asked if we could do things differently. So instead of buying the lights as cheap as possible and then paying for the additional energy cost over the life of the products, we wanted to rent the lights, and that's how we came up with Paper Lux with Philips.
So the Paper Lux is a complete performance-based project, really. So what we're doing is working with our partners, the NUS in this case, to drive forward the solutions that we can provide. So what they're actually purchasing from us is a light output across the site, rather than purchasing products, which is a more traditional way of working. The great thing about the project was that it was a blank canvas for us. It was a new build that they had purchased, and they were looking for a solution that really had that sustainability and energy focus right from the start. We've included all LED technology across the site, as well as controls to link into that, which are actually networks that can be controlled from off-site as well, so they can really see what the building is doing, and then make sure that they can make all the necessary steps possible to keep driving the energy consumption down.
NUS's job really within the student movement is to set an example. So we want students to drive change through their institutions, communities and student unions. This building should be a beacon of sustainability that students can look at and say that we could have this on our campus. And I'm really proud to work here. I think it's great, and it really makes it feel real when I'm out there talking to students about sustainability, that I come back to work in a building that is just like this.